Your Office 365 student account allows you to download and install or sign into the Microsoft Office suite on up to 5 compatible computers, tablets, or smartphones. To download and install these applications, first log into your Microsoft Office 365 account at www.office.com. Select Sign In and enter your student email address and click Next. Enter your password and click Sign In. Select the text option to verify your account. This will trigger a two-factor authentication code to your mobile phone. Enter that code and click Verify. You should land in your Microsoft Office 365 account dashboard. On the left, you will see the Office Suite web applications of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, etc. These function like the desktop application but run only in an active internet session. To utilize the Office Suite in a local, offline session, we need to download and install. Find the Install Office button towards the top right-hand corner of your dashboard. Click and select the Office 365 Apps option from this menu. This will start downloading the installation file. This file should show up in your Download folder or just in the bottom left of your browser session. An informational window will also appear highlighting the next steps. Feel free to close this information window and click to launch the installation file. This should initiate the full application download and install process. You should see a small orange window appear as it prepares the installation, followed by a larger window showing the Office Suite icons. This process takes several minutes, and the duration depends on your connection speed. You must stay online while this installation completes. Minimize other windows so that you can monitor this installation as it happens. Once completed, the graphic will change stating Office is installed and you can close this window. Now, click your Windows Start button. You should see the new Microsoft Office application icons at the top of the list. Click on any one, like Excel or Word, to open an application. The local application should launch, and you'll be greeted with the start of an activation process. Confirm your student email is listed as the account that will be used to activate the software, and click Continue. Again, confirm that your student email account is listed for activation, and click Next, where you will be prompted for your password. Enter it, and click Sign In. Once more, select the Text option to verify your account. Retrieve and enter the two-factor authentication code from your mobile device, and click Verify. On this next screen, leave the Management option checked so that your login details will apply to the whole Microsoft Suite that you have just installed, and click OK. This will register all the new Microsoft Office applications under your student account. Once this is complete, click Done. This will bring up your Microsoft Office Student Licensing Agreement. Click Accept and then Close to finalize the process. This completes the installation, and the suite of Microsoft Office applications will now be available for your use locally on your computer.